In math, you are often given a rule or an equation, and from that asked to make a table or a graph. So an equation or a rule tells us what we need to do to x in order to get the answer for what y is. So in the rule, we're going to take x out and replace it with different numbers. We'll look at an example more closely, but notice on the board I have a rule, y equals x minus 1. That tells me whatever x is, y is going to minus 1 from that. So in my table, when x was 2, I minused 1 to get y was 1. When x is 3, minus 1, x is 2, 4, 3, and 5, 4. Let's try one together. Let's make a table for the equation y equals x plus 3. First, let's figure out what that means. X plus 3 means 3 more. So y is 3 more than x. So y is going to be 3 more than x, so we can go over and we can fill in our table. Notice that this table starts by giving us some values for x. That's very common, or sometimes you can pick your own values for x. We need to find y. Remember our rule says y equals x plus 3. In our first row, x is 0. So that means y is going to be 0 plus 3, or 3. Moving to the second one, again, y equals x plus 3. I look in my column. X is 1, so y equals 1 plus 3, or y equals 4. Try the third one. If x is 2, what is y? Again, y is always 3 more than x. So 2 plus 3 equals 5. And our final one, 3 plus 3 will be 6. Notice in each of our columns, 0, 3, y is 3 more than x. 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6. Let's look at another example. Y equals 3x. You might not remember from last year, but we learned that when the number and the letter are right next to each other, that means 3 times x. So our rule in words will be y is 3 times as big as x. Or another way you could write this is you could tell yourself, we're going to multiply x by 3 to get y. Now, x can be any number. And in this assignment, we're going to fill in values for x for you. So make sure you pay attention to what value you are given in the table. Okay, so we're going to find y when x is 2. Again, my rule is 3x. In words, we said multiply x by 3 to get y. So I really need 2 times 3 equals 6. So y is 6. Multiply x by 3 to get y. X is 5. Multiply it by 3. Gives me y is 15. Okay, 8. X is 8. Multiply 8 times 3 to get y, 24. And our last one, multiply x by 3, gives us 30. So you're looking again at pairs. X is 2, y is 6. X is 5, y is 15. X is 8, y is 24. When x is 10, y is 30.